Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve audio enhancement problems you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So if for some reason you're having issues with your audio, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to begin by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. You want to type in speaker. Underneath settings, left click on manage audio devices. Now for whatever speaker's listening here, you want to just left click on it one time and then left click on properties. Now you want to left click on the enhancements tab and you want to check mark next to the box that says disable all sound effects. And this will basically just turn off your sound effects here, and then left click on OK. Hopefully that should resolve the issue. If it did not, I would suggest going back and opening up the start menu. Type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot right above System Settings. Left click on that one time. Now you want to go underneath the area. If you scroll down here, find and fix other problems. We're going to go and left click on hardware and devices, find and fix problems with devices and hardware, and then left click on run the troubleshooter. Okay, so I might say restart your PC to finish installing drivers and updates. I would suggest left clicking on apply the fix, and then left click on next. See if it finds anything else too. Okay, so again, I would suggest heating whatever device it gives you here. So if it wants you to restart the computer, I would suggest you guys restart the computer. And that's hopefully about it. So I hope this does resolve your issues. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.